knees are out wide, extending your arms forward, coming into a wide-kneed child's pose, dropping your forehead all the way down, and as you exhale, release stress that you're holding on to in your body. Allow your entire body to soften and feel that connection to the mat. Allow your hips to sink a little closer towards your heels. Lift your forearms and gently start to rock your upper body left and right. Feeling a gentle stretch along the sides of your back, your erector spinae, the muscles that hold your body up when you're standing up straight. Allow them to relax and soften here. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, and right, pressing up to your hands, taking a slight twist, so bring your right hand to your right hip, opening up your chest to the right. Breathe there, setting your hips back towards your heels, slight engagement in your abs, slight tuck under with your pelvis. Switch sides. Lower to your belly, shake it out. Again, allow your hips to soften, allow your hips to widen. Feel that connection between your hips and the mat. You can even bring your hands to your lower back and gently press them down before you come into a Sphinx posture, forearms down on the mat. Place your elbows where it's comfortable enough for you to allow your shoulders to drop. So if they're too close in and your shoulders are crunched up towards your ears, bring your fingertips a little bit more forward. And as you hold this position, again, bring attention to your lower body. Allow your hips to soften, your legs to soften, everything to relax and open as you drop your head forward to feel the stretch in the back of your neck. Roll onto one side, follow along, bending the bottom leg. Use this time to feel a slight stretch along the top of your hip and along your entire left side body. Bending the top leg and extending it all the way up, flexing through your foot, and then down, pointing at the bottom, bending the knee, extending up, and extending at the top. Go ahead and move through this flow at your own pace. Take your time. It'll look a little bit different on everybody, and it can feel a bit awkward at first, but you will gain fluidity and body control as you continue to practice this move. Roll to your belly. That top leg will stay out to the side, bent to the side. You can even extend and press into that opposite arm to help open up the muscles of your inner thigh here. Kind of like a half frog. Very nice. Release, and then we're going to switch sides to lay on the other side. At first, just lay all the way down flat on your side. Feel a slight stretch along the top of your hip and through your right side body. And begin the movement now. Top leg is going to bend, pointing the toe all the way up. At the top, flex your foot and extend the leg straight back down. Bend and up. Straighten it down. Bend and up. Straighten it down. Continue this movement. Roll onto your belly, bending the right knee now, coming into that half frog. Pressing into your palms, pressing into your adductors, opening that hip. Flat back to your belly, bring your forehead down to the mat. Allow your hips to soften, widening against the floor. Bend your knees and windshield wiper your feet side to side. Amazing release for the lower back and hip flexors as well. Coming into cactus stretch. Cactus your left arm and press into your right hand. Bring your right hand up and over for a twist that is going to open up the front of your left shoulder, that chest muscle right there. Back to center, switch sides, twisting the other way. Return to your belly. Press into your hands, come up to hero's pose. Inhale, both arms up all the way up tall, and bend at the elbows. Press and exhale and pull, big chest opener. Press, exhale and pull. Press, exhale and pull. Press, exhale and pull. Beautiful, roll it out, take a big shoulder rinse. Thank you so much for tuning in and flowing with me today. If you're not done yet and you would like to continue flowing, check in with friends. Check out my new series called Flow with Addie Live. I also host live stretch classes for Stretch Club every single Saturday for my members here on YouTube. So if you're very serious about your flexibility journey and would like to practice with me live,